I think I'm officially addicted to fidgets. Hey guys, it is Carrie here, and I am back with another unboxing video. So, you guys are getting a double whammy here because I have two Funky Fidgets orders. So, we have two orders from the same small business, and the reason why is because I ordered about 3 weeks ago because there was two products I really wanted, and then I ordered again 2 weeks later, like last week, and there was another two products I really wanted. So these came separately, and I only got these now because of some issues. So we have two. We have a big one and a small one, and we're going to do the big one first because the small one is the one I'm most looking forward to. So let's get this bad boy open. Let's see what's inside. What we got, oh, what's inside? What have we got, oh, what's inside? And I'm a little bit hyper today because I just did a concert. I did a song at a concert, I should say. And it turned out really well. So if you guys want to see the performance of that, go check out my music channel. It's uploaded there now. So we're opening this big one, and I hate tape. I hate it. So we have one of the Neato Squeeze hearts. There's a tag on this, which is not nice. Okay, there we go. So this is the Neato Squeeze heart. Now I do not have a heart-shaped stress ball yet, so I'm really excited to try this. So, while I get this open, let me just say, for those of you who have not, or for those of you that live in the UK and you have no idea where to buy fidgets, Funky Fidget Shop is the place to go because it is really great. And they're even especially nice to the blind and visually impaired community. Ooh, guys. Listen to this. This is the Neato Squeeze heart. It's a bit sticky at first, but I think that will wear off. You can literally feel the glitter and stuff inside. It's so nice. Oh, God. I don't have any stress ball like this. It is really good. If you guys can hear that, it's so good. So this is the Neato Squeeze heart by Neato. We'll take a more look at it in detail after the unboxings. Last product in here is my new sensory square. So there's two designs of the sensory square. One of them I already have, and I specifically asked for this design in my order, and I got it because I can feel that it's different. And I didn't break it, don't worry, that was just the packaging. So let's just take this off. I'm so happy that they actually gave me the design I wanted. I'm so happy. So we're going to see how different this one is in a second. Okay, it's definitely different. It has pops. I don't know how you're supposed to get those back out, but... Ooh, I love this! I don't know what you're supposed to do with this, but... That's cool, I guess. Oh, I think I broke it. No, I didn't. You're supposed to do that, okay. That is fun. I like this one better, actually. Has gear sticks here. Really cool. I love this wheel thing. I don't know what that is supposed to be. So that's cool. It does have a ball maze as well. It does have a ball maze as well, but what I'm planning to do is, well, you can turn this, that's cool, is I'm planning to swap some of the squares on these to make my own personal cube. I'm definitely going to have this thingy, maybe these gears. These poppets, I do not know how to push back in, unfortunately, so, yeah. I don't know. They didn't think about that, so yeah. Anyway, that's the sensory square. We'll take a more look at that in detail. Let me just put these fidgets here, the ones that I've opened. Now we have 2 more fidgets to open, and I'm really excited about these next 2. But I'm really glad they gave me the design I asked for. Oh, what else did we get in here? Oh, we got a packed by slip. So each Funky Fidgets order gives you a slip that says it's packed by blah, blah, blah. Can't read that, so I don't know who it was packed by. I apologize. Then we have a lollipop. Or a lollipop. I do not like lollipops, so yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of those. So that's fine. It was still nice of them to give. I appreciate that. Thank you. And a free sticker, which my brother does like, so I'll give that to him as well as a lollipop. Okay. Oops. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put these fidgets here. This squeeze heart, though, is so good. Listen. Anyway. Next parcel. This one's smaller, but I'm most excited for this. So this is the smaller one. Let's open it. So I can... Oh, I ripped it. Oh, well. It's only an envelope. It's fine. And I actually only ripped the tape off. So it should be fine. We're going to rip this open. I may need scissors. Oh, no, I don't need scissors. So, this is the ASMR ball, which we're going to play with in a minute. And then, packed by slip again. And then we have a crispy bead roller from Dinky Things. Why does it have a label on it? I don't get why things have to have labels. Ooh, this is really good. It's like crunchier beads. I like this a lot. So this is the metal bead roller from Dinky Things, which is... Let me just try and get this label off because it's annoying me. There we go. I got the label off, guys. I hate labels. I don't know why. So if you can hear how nice this is. I don't know if you can. Well, let me tell you it feels good. It feels nice. Oops. So this is the crispy bead roller. It's smaller than my other one, but it's really good. Really love this. Excellent. Where is that other fidgets? Oh. Let me just set it here beside the other fidgets. And then I've already taken the ASMR ball out. Then we have a packed by slip. I don't know who it was packed by, but thank you to the person that packed my order. I appreciate it. Can I just put this away? No, let me just put that in there. Perfect. Now, last thing is the ASMR ball. I don't know if it's supposed to be flat like that, but we're gonna find out. So it comes in a Ziploc bag. So, ooh. Oh my god! I'm in love. It's so good. Guys, it's full of like these marbles. It's an ASMR ball. It's crunchy. If you guys can hear that. Don't know if you can. But it is so good. Oh my god, it is so good. It is so good. It sounds so nice. For a blind person like me, I love the sound. And I'm actually going to keep this little baggie. I'm going to keep it in there, I think. If I can get it back in, that is. Let's see if I can. let's not try and squish this. So, if I can get the little tag back out, there we go. And then these little bags are so cool because you can zip them back up and they're reusable. So yeah, we have that. Now, time to evaluate. Let me just put this trash back in the empty bubble mailer. There we go. So we're going to start with the Neato Squeeze Heart. So it's no longer sticky. I knew it would wear off eventually. So this is a Neato Squeeze Heart. This is the pink glittery one. Or is it purple? I can't remember. I think it's pink. I can't remember which one I ordered now. I believe it's the pink glitter one. I was going to get the plain one, but I heard that these ones have confetti and glitter inside. And apparently you can feel them. So I got excited and I ordered this. So if you can hear that, that's what it sounds like. Very nice, very nice. So that is that. Very good. 10 out of 10. Sensory Cube number 2. So definitely love this one more than the other one. The other one was kind of, yeah, you know, I don't know how to explain that. And then this thing, love it. And then these gear sticks are really cool. If I can move this one, oh, there we go. Some of them are a bit stiff because they have not been used yet. Then we have the poppets thing, which and only thing that annoys me about this is I don't know how to get them back up. So. And then you can turn this thing, I think. Not really sure how that's supposed to work, but that's cool. So this is the second sensory cube I own. This one's different than my other one. I'm going to get my brother to help me make it one of the a custom cube. Because I'm going to take these ball mazes off. And then I don't know what else I'll take off. But I'll show you guys what I decide to do with that. Then we're going to look at the crispy bead roller again. This was actually a homemade fidget. I love this. So they get less stiff as you play with it, which is cool. The last bead is a bit stuck. There we go. Lovely. 10 out of 10 for that. The cube I'd rate an 8 because of the ball maze and the poppets do not come back up. But I'm going to make my own custom cube with the both cubes that I do have. And then finally, my favorite product of them all, the ASMR ball. This is actually a product made by Funky Fidgets themselves. They actually made this. Oh, they're so good, guys. Like, the video doesn't even do it justice. Like, the sound is good and all, but the feeling of it is also nice. So let's pop that in there. So for upcoming videos, guys, I'm planning to do a fidget basket video very soon. I'll just put that in there because we're going to keep it in its little baggie just to keep it safe, you know, just to keep it safe and clean, because yeah. Upcoming videos, guys, before I go, sorry, I'm just playing with the squeeze heart. Upcoming videos, I'm planning to do a fidget basket. This is definitely going in it. So unique. I'm also going to be doing a unboxing of another small business, something I've never tried in my life. It's called 3D Fidgets. All 3D printed fidget toys from the UK. I've heard about them all over TikTok, so I'm very excited to try their stuff. So yeah, very, very excited to try that. 10 out of 10 for the ASMR ball, by the way, guys. Don't know if I said that yet, but yeah, so that's it, guys. I'm just playing with everything right now. Oh, you can turn that all the way. That's cool. And I don't know what you're supposed to do with this. I really don't know what you're supposed to do with this. I think I broke it, but I hope I didn't. But yeah. Yeah, that's it. So, that is it, you guys, for today's video. Oh, okay, that's cool. Oh, okay, I get it now. So, if you... Oh, I got one of the poppets out. Okay, I'm going to play with this a bit more and figure it out. And then I will see you guys in the next video, which will most likely be either the 3D fidgets or the either 3D fidgets or my sensory basket. I'm not sure just yet, but we'll figure that out once the time comes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Much smaller than my last one. I like the idea of that.